Hey guys, having a little trouble with the GoPros this afternoon, so hopefully some of this footage is going to turn out anyway. I'm going to put this cricket on and we're going to see if we can get a brim right here. We've caught them today on mealworms, corn, earthworms, pink worms, and red wigglers. So, oh, and also a fly. So that thing just got hit. Let's see if he'll pick it back up. There he goes. Oh, missed it. He got the cricket. Nope, he didn't get it. Okay, I'm going to try and zoom y'all in before this cricket gets hit, because these guys are being super aggressive. All right, he's on the water right there. There he goes. I mean, you can't keep a cricket in the water this afternoon. As soon as they hit the water, they are on it.